Can this broken foot be replaced with 3D printing? Hello there, this is Brian with 7 and All Makes. Today we're looking at my wife's laptop computer. It's the one with that fruit on it with a big bite out of it. And on the bottom of it, it has a foot that raises it up, and that way the screen's a little bit higher, easier to type on. But unfortunately, she came to me and said one of the feet is broken. So while it is sitting up in position, it's not very stable this way. These feet just snap into the bottom here and then flip up and bring the computer just a little bit higher for ease of viewing and also typing. And unfortunately, one of the feet has broken. So she asked me, can I design a part and then print it on my 3D printer that could replace this broken part? Okay, well, the first step to replacing a broken piece would be to try to keep all the pieces that you have that are broken, to get some dimensions and get a tool like a little digital caliper here that can take some fairly accurate measurements. In this piece, what's going to be pretty important is to know the diameter of these little pins on the side, to know the width of it, so that when you have your piece, it's going to be able to fit in each slot and be able to snap in and hold in place. Also, you're going to need to know that length there, so that between this side and the other side, it will be the same length and it will be steady when it's up in position. Well, we kind of lost one of the feet, but that's okay. We can get the diameter of this pin from that side. We can get the width just overall from this side over here to the other side that's broken. And we can still get the length from this leg over here to the end. So with those, I took some dimension off this piece and came up with a drawing. So after taking some different dimensions, this is the drawing that I came up with to get an overall idea of what the size is of the part that I was needing to design in my CAD program that hopefully will work. And hopefully I can design something similar to this. Again, it's going to be hard to get all of the curvature that this has and exact, but basically if we can get the rough dimensions of what matters most and approximate it, I think it can find something that will work and design it and then print it. So this is my 3D printed part. I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. It looks similar. Even the light blue matches pretty well. You can notice that I'm not touching it, as actually it did break. Actually, this piece did work for a while. Then got some weak parts over here and it broke off. And I realized I probably need to strengthen this up a little bit here. This will be a weak part of it that's going to have a lot of the stress of the computer resting on it when it's in position. So then I printed it solid. Now it's not going to look any different as we look at it, but this definitely has some gaps on the inside there, so it was not solid through these little legs. And so I made this part 100% infill, so it's solid all the way through, hoping that this one will last a little bit longer. Let's see if it will fit into position here. Moment of truth, right? All right, snaps in place. It rotates up and down. And let's put it up. All right, looks good. It's very stable and it's holding in position well. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with this. Again, we did have this part in before, and it lasted quite a while, but then did break. So this is a stronger part. So let's see if this part will last longer. Well, thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hey, give us a like if it gave you a good idea of something that you can work on and fix around the house. Also, just add something to the comments. We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel as well, so subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.